X Factor winner Dalton Harris under strong fire from social media after some posts were made on his social media platform. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. We ask you, please remember just like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as well so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. After a recent post on his social media platform, Dalton Harris came under fire from social media users and also some of his fans, friends, and people that usually wish him well. Now, this has turned upside down after a number of posts and follow-up posts were made from the X Factor star and his social media, and this has triggered an outpour of support and also an outpouring of disregard for how he feel in this current situation. As you know, Dalton Harris was the Jamaica Digital Rising Star winner some years ago and recently crowned X Factor winner, which garnered him the recognition of worldwide publicity based on his current standing as an entertainer. So with this said, as you know, Dalton Harris is a premier figure not only on the local but also on the international scene after being crowned X Factor winner, which garnered so much support from right across the world. But what has Dalton Harris been up to since he was crowned X Factor winner? That still remains a mystery because he has only put out one song, Cry, since then. Dalton Harris is a very talented and also very vocal artist, and his vocal abilities has been placed under sharp focus since he's such a vocalized artist and he can deliver such a wonderful performance. Many of his fans has been wondering since he was crowned X Factor winner what has been up. So recently Dalton Harris did a number of follow-up posts and we're about to share those with you right now on this platform. So Dalton Harris said, "To those that send their well wishes, thank you for everything. And to those that struggle, just fight. Even in your lowest moment, work on yourself takes a time. Just stick around as long as you can, and I'm here to help you as best as I can." He also made another follow-up post after that one, and this was done on his Instagram account as well. So he said, "For the people thinking someone sharing their experience with suicide and choosing to fight and live is about attention, it's sad that we have to become so heartless and into social media that we can continue to destroy someone already destroyed." So that was one of the other posts that Dalton Harris made on his social media platform, and this has been viewed by thousands of individuals as well. So recently he made a number of posts, as many of you have known, and he said that he was contemplating on taking his own life based on the struggles that he has been through and certain emotional breakdown that he had to endure. Now he also made some other posts on his social media as well, and it was like a day he was just trying to get the feelings out there, and he was just on social media just telling his fans what he has been going through and just sharing with his fans and also his friends the struggles that he has been facing. So he also made another post on his social media platform which said, "Thank you for everything. I'm growing. Opinions don't matter anymore, but you are welcome to waste in yours. To everyone that struggles, I will be sharing how to get help in a few days. I will take a break to focus on my recovery and healing and be with the people who love me. Privacy and honesty are different things, and no one is entitled to me. I will never ask for acceptance from anyone that struggles to accept me in the slightest bit. that is done. He also went on to did another post. He said, "To the boys with fragile egos, I am top to you and your girl are non-binary partners." So that was a post that he made on social media as well. He also went on again on social media and did another post. He said, "Also celebrate World Prevention Suicide Day. I decided to have a day off the grid and just at home instead of worrying about productivity. I am just focusing on the experience of today and being grateful for still being here and surviving my suicidal past, sending love to everyone." He also made another post on his social media platform and said, "Big love to everyone that has been here or knows someone that struggles with depression and anxiety. Takes a lot of strength to make it past not wanting to be here anymore, but you are here and you deserve to be. You are loved and you deserve it tenfold. I'm right here with you." So that was just some posts made from Dalton Harris social media account on Twitter and also his Instagram page. So these were posts on social media, and a number of people are in support of him, and a number of people have been throwing some serious fire at Dalton Harris based on his sexual orientation, which had been on the sharp focus for some time now. But all I can say, I don't really want to divulge much into that, because at the end of the day, I believe that he's his own big person and he has the right to make his own decision, what he wants or what he deems fit for him. Alright, so I don't really want to go into that. But all I can say, he's a very talented singer, and I believe that he really need to focus his energy within his music and just try to put some songs out there, because he has already garnered that fan base both local and an international scene. All the fans want now is just some great music to keep his spirit out there, and also his depth of vocal ability, based on the fact that he has been crowned X Factor winner, which has garnered him that recognition that many earn for or desire in this current music era. But he is very talented, he is a very good performer, and I believe that if he just focuses his energy in a different direction, he will be able to captivate the world with his style and his delivery of music. But as it relates to the people out there criticizing him, I cannot really comment much as it relates to that, because people have their own personal opinion, they have their own personal views, and they have the right to let their voices be heard. And if they're not in support of him, what can I say? That's their opinion. However, I'm not really in support of certain things that he's doing, but I'm not going to be here having sleepless nights over it either. I believe that he has made his decision and is his own big man. As I said before, he has the right to choose what he believes is right for him. And as you know, he has had a struggling past, and he still tries his best in order to come to the forefront of everything and put himself out there. And he has cemented himself as one of the greatest singers to date. He really needs to just focus his energy in this direction and just try his very best to see how well he can put some music out there for the mass of fans that has been waiting for this since he was crowned X Factor winner. But all I can say, I just wish him all the best with his future endeavors, and whatever he decides, I just wish him all the best. And even though he has been on the sharp focus for many different reasons throughout the past few weeks, I can't really comment much on that, but I just wish him all the best with whatever he's doing, and I hope that he just try his best to just focus on his music and just put his energy in that direction. This is where I'm going to leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And out for this one, just drop it in the comment section how you feel about the whole entire situation of him having suicidal thoughts. And also, if you want to speak about his sexual orientation that was on the sharp focus for some time now, you can just drop it in the comment section as well. We look forward to hear from you. This has been Links TV. Have a blessed day. Peace.